In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show subtasks in the Jira board. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the steps to manage your tasks effectively. First things first, you need to log into your Jira account. Open up your browser, head over to the Jira website, and enter your credentials to gain access. If you're unsure how to do this, you'll find your login details usually associated with your workspace. Once you've logged in, you'll be on your Jira dashboard. Next, let's open your board. Your board is where all the action happens, so located on the left-hand sidebar, click on the board that you want to work with. This is where you'll see all your tasks laid out in different columns based on their statuses. Once you're viewing your board, it's time to create a new task. Look for where you can add a task. Typically, there's a Create button or a section to type new tasks directly. Click on it, and this will allow you to enter the details of your task. This is a crucial step, as every task you create can have associated subtasks for better breakdown and management. After you've typed in the details and created the task, it should now appear on your board. Click on the task you just created to open it up. This is where you can start adding subtasks. You'll notice various options on this task detail page. Now look for the subtasks section. This may not always be explicit, but often you will see an option labeled Add Subtask. Clicking on this will allow you to create those necessary subtasks that help in organizing and tracking smaller components of your main task. Enter the title of your subtask in the provided space where it asks you to type. This might be something specific that contributes to the main task you created earlier. Once you've filled in the name of your subtask, navigate to the right side of the screen where you should find the Enter icon. Click this to save your subtask. Bravo! You've just added your first subtask. You can even add more subtasks if necessary. To do this, you follow the same process. Click on Add Subtask. Again, enter a new title and hit Enter to save it. As you continue managing subtasks, you might notice they could have their own little boards, making it easier for you to visualize the progress of each component. This additional hierarchy in your task management is incredibly useful for maintaining clarity, especially when you're working with a bigger project. If at any point you want to review how many subtasks are linked to your main task, just click on your task again. You'll see all your subtasks consolidated there, which allows for streamlined tracking and updates. Let's not forget to save your progress frequently to avoid data loss, and remember, subtasks can always be edited or deleted if you change your mind. Just click on the specific subtask, and you'll find the options you need right there. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to show and manage subtasks in your Jira board. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be able to keep your projects organized and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing in Jira.